Okay, I'm gonna document this for posterity's sake. This is the first straight razors I've ordered, and this just a couple of cheap ones from eBay. I paid like 15 bucks a piece for them. Let's see how they look. And so, well, she packed them pretty well, I guess. I don't know how good they are or not. I thought, well, it's kind of, I'm going to use this to clean stuff with. That's pretty cool. She's got a little note in here. Says, anyway, put little notes on them. So this is a Fred Broker, Elizabeth, New Jersey. Boker Brothers gunmetal. So there's one of them, and the other one is a faultless. So who knows what they are. I'm going to sharpen them, and I'm going to actually shave with these and see how they are. This will be my first experience with a straight razor, and we'll see what we can do with them to get them sharp. So stay tuned.